Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarvesh and I talk about internship placements and hackathons. So, if you're watching me for the first time, check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. Uh, if you like it, do subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So today we are going to see about RBI Summer Internship 2026. So it is India's central bank, Reserve Bank of India, which if you don't know about it, if you already know, we're going to deep dive into how you can apply for this internship and like how you can get selected. So this is about the video. So as of now, RBI has opened its internship for 2026. It got opened recently and it may close anytime soon, which means like though the application window is open, but if you see the competition is very heavy and if you're not applying as soon as possible, then chances are that you may not get selected, right? So over here, this is the website where you can take your application form. So this is the online web-based application form. You need to fill this. I'll go in detail on how you should be filling it. So yeah, about the RBI, right? So you are working with one of the premium institute of India, right? It is managing all the cash flow of India and what this internship would mean to you, not just about the money. Okay, so it has a per month stipend of 20,000, which means the internship duration is for 3 months. So you'll get around 60,000 rupees as in total, right? So 60,000 rupees may not feel great for a lot of people, but it would mean a lot to people who don't have pocket money or something. Then for them, I think this is a good opportunity. Just not about the money, it's about the experience that you are getting out of it, right? You are working with the Reserve Bank. So there are chances that while you are applying for any other jobs, right, related to banking jobs, okay, this could be a very good experience that if you mention it on your resume, right, once you get this internship, right? One of my friend who has already completed this internship, she has shared me how she got into it. I'll be discussing it. If you want me to make a detailed video on how the interviews will happen, all the things, if you want me to do, I can bring my friend over here and do a proper set of like how interviews will happen, what questions you need to prepare. Just let me know in the comments. I'll make an arrangement for you. Yeah. So this is what you'll be getting as an experience while working on it. You'll do a research on policies, data analysis on how the economic models are working in banking sector, on like for example risk assessment, regulatory complaints, all these things you'll be understanding and working on. And you'll be working on the government projects, right? Since it comes under government, so you'll be working on the government projects and digital banking, all these things which are predominantly happening in India right now. And so, who are all eligible for this, right? For this, postgraduate students who are pursuing a master's degree in management, statistics, commerce, economics, banking, finance, econometrics, or related fields. So you must be in the penultimate year, right? You must have 1 year left for your graduation. So if you are in the penultimate year, you are eligible for it. And there's a chance for integrated program students. Sometimes they may be studying 5 year integrated programs, like one academic year left, right? That is basic thing. So you should have one academic year left before you graduate, right? And law students who are pursuing 3 year full-time professional bachelor degree, you are also eligible for it. Okay, so these are the three major eligibility criteria that you should check on. So these are the different control centers, offices. Okay, if you can just check all the email IDs and things, you will be getting it. Like there are 17 different control centers. Okay, so the thing which you have to do is you have to fill an online based web application, like web application form. So if you are eligible, right, if you are coming under these particular categories, internship opportunity, right? So this is what the stipend, as I mentioned, 20,000 per month for three months. You will get 60,000. As I have told you earlier, this may feel a bit less for you, but what I say is 20,000 is a very good amount for this experience that you are going to get. And if you are traveling from, like, let's say if you're not belonging to that particular city, all the travel and stuff should be managed by you. Okay, yeah. So these are the important dates, right? The application opened in October 15th. So these are the important dates, interview. So the final selection, approximately around 125 students across India will be selected for this internship. And your 3-month internship will start from April, okay? So how to apply? I'll just show you through on the application process first, and then we'll see what are important questions and things that you need to prepare, okay? So this is the website link. Okay, I'll give the link in the description of the video. Go and check it out. So over here, if you go and see, you can find online web-based application. This is for people who are from India who are going to apply. Indians who are from India are going to apply. And this is for foreign students. Okay, foreign students can also apply. For you, the thing is here, like how you have to apply. Since most of your audience are from India, I'll just take you through on how you can apply as an Indian student. So this is the link. Okay, over here you can see the link for web application form. Over here you have to go inside, and you have to give your names of the institute, address of the institute, and city, which city you're from, which state you are from, and zip code, placement cell of your college. This is details of your college, okay? And gender, all these things are very normal things. And so things are like you are still studying. There are chances that you are still studying, okay? Year of passing, graduation, post graduation, this you are still studying, you can mention it as well. And if you have not completed, you just apply NA to it, right? Sometimes you have not completed. People who are watching my videos, most of you are still in college and you have not completed it. So generally, so what would happen, you just go and select NA if you have not completed your graduation. Name what current course you are pursuing, what is your work experience, okay? Add relevant work experience to your banking internship, right? For example, so some people won't even have experience, and this would be a first internship. For them it is not an issue, but for some people who have already done some relevant work related to banking, all these things can add value while like you're going for the interview, may get selected for that, okay? And that is the reason I am telling you need to add relevant work experience related to banking and these sectors. Okay, so these are the things. Once you click submit, your application will get submitted. So this is about the application process. Once you fill the application form details correctly, and if it is matching with their like their expectation, they'll call you for your interviews, right? This will take some time. How to prepare for this interview, right? So majorly what questions are asked, right? That is what I have taken with my help of my friend. So they will ask you for current banking and finance trends, right? In India, what is happening in currently, right? Recent policy changes, digital banking, UPI growth, fintech regulations which have happened, and NBFC, and what core economic concepts that you like, your understanding of core economic concepts like inflation, repo rate mechanisms, GDP, things like that, okay? Like, do you have the understanding of these core concepts in this particular economic field? That is also matters, right, when it comes to this internship. And you have to know much about RBI. When I spoke with my friend who has given this interview, she told me that her majority questions started about why you want to work in RBI, and do you know what kind of work happens in Reserve Bank of India, what do we handle. So you have to have a clear understanding of what is happening and how it is functioning, and how currency management happens in India, like how foreign exchange happens, right, when you are traveling and things like that. Yeah, things like that you have to keep a mind on it when you are preparing for it. And ultimately whatever you're doing, right, not just this internship, what is driving you to get into this internship? Some people may say, भैया I don't have an internship, पैसा नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं. But if you are still thinking, that is not the exact motivation. See, sometimes people feel that I need to definitely work with this company, like some kind of inner motivation will there, right? Only if you're able to convey it to them, that will like boost your confidence and get you the job done. Yeah, so where you can get these informations, right, about RBI things, you can Google it around, and from RBI's website itself, you can see what work they are doing. I mean, what kind of roles that they are offering, current base, summer placements, research internship, everything is there. You can Google about what is happening in RBI, what roles could you play. All these things are there. You can go and check it out. So that is basically about this video or the application process. I hope all your doubts regarding to it is cleared. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comments. If you want me to make another detailed video along with my friend who has got into this particular internship, let me know in the comments. I'll bring her to the video. Yeah, thank you.